Have you ever wondered what happens when a former president is ordered to pay a massive fine? Picture this. Donald Trump, the 45th president of the United States, has been ordered to pay $464 million in a New York civil fraud case. The question now is, can he find a private company to guarantee this colossal amount? To continue his appeal, Mr. Trump must either pay the full amount in cash or secure a bond. If he fails to do so by the 25th of March, he faces the potential seizure of some of his real estate assets by the state's Attorney General. Mr. Trump has stated that securing a bond of that size is practically impossible. For a fee, a bonding company would guarantee the full amount to the New York court and would then have to pay it if Mr. Trump loses his appeal and cannot do so himself. Mr. Trump's team spent countless hours negotiating with one of the world's largest insurance companies, only to find that very few bonding companies will consider a bond of anything approaching that magnitude. They approached 30 companies without success. In order to secure a bond, an individual must demonstrate to the company providing the guarantee that they have enough liquidity, usually in the form of cash plus things like stocks or securities which can be sold quickly, to cover the amount. Mr. Trump's two eldest sons must also pay millions of dollars in the case. In addition to ordering Mr. Trump to pay the penalty, New York Judge Arthur Engoron banned him from running any businesses in the state for 3 years after he found the former president falsely inflated assets to secure better loan deals. The former president's lawyers included an affidavit from a president of a private insurance firm who said that, simply put, a bond of this size is rarely, if ever, seen. In the unusual circumstance that a bond of this size is issued, it is provided to the largest public companies in the world, not to individuals or privately held businesses, the lawyers also said. Mr. Trump's unprecedented legal situation makes it difficult to predict next steps. According to former federal prosecutor Diana Florence, penalties on this scale are usually levied against large companies. In conclusion, Donald Trump faces a daunting task: to secure a bond or pay cash to cover a fine of $464 million. His legal team has approached 30 companies without success, making it clear that securing a bond of this size is a rare occurrence. The stakes are high, as his real estate assets could be seized if he fails to meet the deadline. This case is a stark reminder of the consequences of civil fraud and the challenges of navigating the legal system.